Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
多
Please watch my mouth's shape for pronunciation.
多的乌窝多多很多很多我会写很多汉字。我会写很多汉字。多云多云今天是多云天气。今天是多云天气。多久多久你多久来一次中国？你多久来一次中国？
Now let's see how to write this character. These strokes should start strong, but become lighter toward the end. This character is made up of two identical parts, which meant moon in ancient times, just like two repeated moons stacked together. This character means a large quantity, more than usual. It is formed by overlapping two identical parts, representing repetition, increase, and abundance. Chinese people quite like this character. For example, much money, much grain, much good fortune, and many descendants are all related to it. Time passed quickly in this lesson. Class is over. Goodbye.